Welcome again to this channel. And this video is talking about 3 free courses that provided by EC Council. So let's start this video without wasting your time.
Before start this video, I tell you about EC Council. So EC Council is a cybersecurity certification, education, training, and services company based in Albuquerque, New Mexico, founded by Jay Bavis. And let us jump into the courses. Then the first one is EHE, which is Ethical Hacking Essentials. Let's overview about EHE. What is exactly cover this course? Ethical Hacking Essentials is an introductory cybersecurity course that covers ethical hacking and penetration testing fundamentals and prepares learners for a career in cybersecurity. This course will introduce learners to computer and network security concepts such as threats and vulnerabilities, password cracking, web application attacks, IoT and OT attacks, cloud computing, pen testing fundamentals, and more. And what you will learn about fundamentals of information security and ethical hacking, information security threats and vulnerabilities, types of malwares, and vulnerability assessments, password cracking techniques, tools, and countermeasures, social engineering concepts, its phases, techniques, and countermeasures, network-level attacks including sniffing, denial of service, and session hijacking, and their countermeasures. Application-level attacks including web server exploitation, OWASP top 10 attacks, and SQL injection and their countermeasures, wireless encryption, attacks, and countermeasures, mobile, IoT, and OT attacks, and countermeasures, cloud computing threats and countermeasures, penetration testing fundamentals, its benefits, strategies, and phases. Second one is Digital Forensics Essentials, known as DFE. Digital Forensics Essentials helps learners increase their competency and expertise in digital forensics and information security skills, thereby adding value to their workplace and employer. This course will introduce learners to computer forensics fundamentals as well as the computer forensics investigation process. Plan to learn about dark web, Windows, Linux, malware forensics, and so much more. The interactive labs component of this course ensures that learners receive the hands-on, practical experience required for a future in digital forensics. And what you will learn about fundamental concepts of computer forensics investigation process and its phases, types of disk drives, their characteristics, logical structure, and various OS booting processes, data acquisition concepts, types, format, and methodology, anti-forensics techniques and countermeasures, Windows, Linux, and Mac forensics. Network forensics fundamentals, event correlation, and network traffic investigation, investigating web and email attacks, dark web and Tor browser forensics, malware forensics. And the third one is NDE, which stands for Network Defense Essentials. Network Defense Essentials covers the fundamental concepts of information security and network defense. This introductory cybersecurity course is designed for today's entry-level information security or cybersecurity careers and is ideal for learners aspiring to pursue a career in cybersecurity. The course gives a holistic overview of the key components of information security such as identification, authentication and authorization, virtualization, cloud computing, wireless networks, mobile and IoT devices, and data security. The interactive labs component of this course ensures that learners receive the hands-on, practical experience required for a future in cybersecurity. And what you will learn about fundamental concepts of network security, identification, authentication, and authorization, administrative network defense controls, physical network defense controls, technical network defense controls, virtualization and cloud computing concepts and best practices, wireless network fundamentals, types of wireless encryption, and security measures. Mobile device security, IoT device security, cryptography techniques, cryptographic algorithms, and public key infrastructure, PKI, data security concepts, data encryption, and data loss prevention, network traffic monitoring. And this are the free courses of EC Council Company, so you can learn for free and achieve those certifications and add in your resume to show off your expertise and skills to prospective employers. This improves your prospects for employment advancement, higher salaries, and greater job satisfaction.